Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing credentials and choosing protocol because correct transport avoids connection errors. Once ready, open Winscp and click New Site, enter the host name and port, then type the username. If you use password auth, paste it now. If you use a private key, point to the PPK file. Make sure to select SFTP for SSH servers. Save the site with a clear name so you won't repeat this setup later. Once the basic site is filled, move to advanced settings to fine-tune authentication and transfers. You should load your private key or confirm pageant is running. That avoids typing passwords repeatedly and supports multi-factor setups. Next, pick transfer mode. Binary for images and executables, ASCII for scripts. You can also enable automatic detection. Make sure remote directory paths are correct and set permissions, or preserve timestamps when moving important files. You now click Login and on First Connect, verify and accept the host key fingerprint so you trust the server. Transfer a test file by dragging it to the remote pane or use Synchronize for directories. Then verify file size, timestamp, and permissions to confirm integrity. When finished, save the session and close the connection gracefully. Troubleshooting tip: if connection fails, enable session logging and check server port, firewall rules, and whether your key is in the authorized keys file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.